In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a profile on MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, widely known as MT5, is a popular platform among traders for its versatility and cutting-edge features designed to enhance your trading experience. One of the valuable features of MT5 is the ability to save profiles. Saving a profile can be incredibly helpful, especially when you want to easily switch between different market setups or manage multiple trading strategies without losing track of your chart configurations and indicators. Let's get started. First, as you have MT5 open and running, draw your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the menu bar. This is where we'll commence our brief journey. Look for and click on File. The File menu is the starting point, housing various options for managing your workspace effectively. After clicking on File, you'll see a drop-down list with several options designed to provide you with control and convenience over your trading environment. From these options, seek out and click on Profiles. Profiles in MT5 are crucial because they let you organize your workspace as per your specific needs at any given time. By doing this, you maintain an environment that helps you stay focused and efficient. Once you click on Profiles, you'll notice another menu appearing on your screen. Here, you need to select the Save As option. This step is fundamental as it allows you to create a new profile based on your current workspace setup. It gives you the flexibility to preserve your preferred chart layout, indicators, or any other tools you've set up for optimal performance. Upon selecting Save As, a prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for your new profile. This is where you get creative and choose a descriptive name. It helps if the name reflects the purpose or strategy associated with the profile. For instance, naming it something like forex day trading or long-term analysis makes it easy to identify among other profiles you may save in the future. The last action to complete this process is to click OK. By doing so, you confirm your entries and command MT5 to register your newly created profile. Just like that, your custom profile is now saved, allowing you to return to this specific arrangement at any time without having to manually rearrange your charts and tools. And there you have it, a complete guide to saving a profile on MetaTrader 5. Being able to save profiles not only saves you time, but also ensures a seamless transition between different trading setups. If this video helped simplify the process for you, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more straightforward MT5 tutorials.